God puts the people he loves through some hardship. Allah puts the people he loves through some hardship. I've seen it. I've seen that those who remember Allah more often go through some difficulties. And it's not just that they suffer because they remember God. It's more like some people go through hardship and that's why Allah reminds them. But one thing you need to be clear about is this: the one who controls this world, who manages everything in our lives, our Creator, our Lord, Allah, He loves us a little more. He loves us and likes us a bit more, so He tests us by withholding things. He tests us by keeping away things from the people Tana likes. Sometimes He tests some people by giving them things. Actually, He wants us to remember Tana. If we get everything in life without any lack or incompleteness, we won't remember Tana. He knows this very well. People remember God during their tough times. He knows that when bad times will come, and that's when my name will pop up in people's hearts. When tough times hit, my name will be the first thing on their minds. Maybe that's why we remember hardship, because sometimes those hardships make us feel a little pain. But unfortunately, some people see this as a curse. Some, whether by mistake or by choice, blame God and think they're cursed. But that's not the case at all. I've seen that when people get things easily, they tend to forget God. I've also seen that when results come quickly, back then, instead of remembering Allah, people thought their achievements were all because of their own abilities. I've noticed that when people complain, they remember their Lord. But when they get something or achieve something, they take full credit for themselves. When we achieve something, we shouldn't forget that it's a mix of our little effort and the Lord's will. If I said it was all up to me, maybe Allah would be pleased and give me even more. Just think about it. When people achieve something, what do they say? I worked so hard. I put in so much effort to get here. Do you know how much hard work it takes to get something? How do these thoughts even come up? When everything in this world is controlled by the Creator Himself, by God Himself, how do these ideas even arise? Why do good people's lives have more suffering, hardship, poverty, and scarcity? You know why? Because Allah wants those good people to always remember Him, to keep Him in their hearts. People's faith is really weak. It's very fragile. It can break anytime, anywhere. If you look around society, you'll realize that some people, like leaders and ministers, act as if they are God themselves. Yeah, some people think their leaders and ministers are everything, but that's not how it works. Their lives are actually guided by God. If those leaders do something good for you, it's their duty, not them doing you a favor. They're appointed for that reason, so don't mix up their role with God's. Don't praise them so much or put them on such a high pedestal that even God would feel embarrassed. Does that happen? Yeah, it does. People expect way more than they should. When people get something easily, they start thinking it's all because of their own power and effort. They even forget the one above. They forget Allah. But when they're deprived of something, when life feels tough, they remember their Lord again. And Allah wants some people to remember Him all the time, to keep Him in their thoughts. Maybe He wants certain people whom He favors to always keep Him in mind. That's why He makes life a bit harder for some people. Even if their life is generally easy, He adds some difficulties in their hearts. Make them realize that their life might be a bit tough, but if you really look around, many people are going through even harder times. The life they have is the dream of many others. We tend to think that God has put us in this situation to punish us, but that might not be the case. He could be testing us by taking something away to see whether we complain during tough times or stay grateful. Do we remember Him when things go wrong, or do we forget? Like I said, God tests us sometimes by giving and sometimes by taking. By putting people through tough times, He wants to see how many truly appreciate Him, how many remember Him, how many give thanks. He wants to see how people act when things get rough. But believe me, I don't know why. I feel like God gives a little pain to the people He loves, keeps them a little hurting, because He wants them to remember Him all the time. Yeah, He wants them to remember Him always.